So while this Basics branded filter replacement is actually made for Brita pitchers, I've actually had great luck using it for Costco Kirkland ones, which is what you see in this video, and I'm replacing it with the Basics brand one. Now you can see on the right is the dirty one, the left one's the clean one. They're both Basics brands, and you essentially just follow the instructions. You make sure you wash it in the pitcher, dump out the water, and that you're gonna fill up the pitcher 3 times with the filter installed. As you can see, it's snug when it goes inside, clicks, and let the water filter out 3 times, dump those waters out, and you're gonna do it one final time. 4th time, we have clean water. And as you see right here, it fits in like a glove. There's no issues with it snapping in the pitcher. This is again the Kirkland Costco one, and it works like a charm. And it's definitely easier than going to the store and getting it myself. And you can set the filter on the Costco branded one very easy, so now it knows how long the filter lifespan is. And you see the water is being filtered right now. I pour it in a glass and I'm ready to drink it, and here's the dirty filter.